You love dancing?
Yes, I do.
You're doing a great job.
I spin around on the other way, and then I put my leg up, and I spin around that one way. This was the one. Oh.
Thank you. Thank you for giving it to your sister. Whoa. How's that? Did you do a little break dancing there?
How? Get off the floor, and I fell down, and I might get out dirty.
That's right.
It's slippery.
You are a great dancer, Noah.
This was a dance class?
It's just like a dance class.
Oh, Mom, it's too busy. Oh. Do you see a picture of me down there?
I see you dancing. I'm taking a picture.
Is there a camera up there?
Camera's right up here.
I stand up on the chair.
Yep.
And I'm down.
And you're down.
You're up.
And I'm up.
And I'm down.
Mm-hmm.
Is the gown on? Is this cereal?
Yeah.
I'm having this pretty better.
You like having dance parties.
After we have this big dance party, can we go anywhere for Mama wants to take it after this?
Yes.
I can finish dancing.
Okay.
If I come back and watch me,